Hey, welcome to my course, How to Score Easy Baskets with 2,200 set plays. I am excited about bringing this course to you because you, like any coach in America, wants to score more points, therefore win more games. And you are in the right place, you're taking the right course, because I have an exhaustible number of set plays for you, but not only plays, but in this course, I'm going to teach you how to set up a play, how to teach a play, how to diagram it, and then how to take it to the floor on game night, and how to execute that play to put 2 points or 3 points up on the scoreboard. This is an engaging course, and I just hope you'll take some notes, write down some questions that you may have. I would love to get any questions that you might have to help your learning a little bit in this course. I do know that this is going to do a couple things. It's going to help you as a coach understand the game better and increase your knowledge, and also to give yourself an edge and your team an edge offensively in your upcoming season to score more points. There's a lot of video, there are a lot of plays, and I think some great instruction. I've been coaching this game for 34 years, and most of my time was at the collegiate level, Division I, NCAA level. Coached at a lot of different schools. I've been on the biggest stages, in America, and I've also been a high school JV coach at 3 schools, and so I run the gamut in terms of my experience. But I bring with me a lot of knowledge from great Hall of Fame coaches. I worked with 8 great coaches, and we're going to throw that all together into this package so that you can benefit most from taking this course. And I'm excited to bring it to you.